Hi, I am Matilda and I am a certified clinical aromatherapist. I am also a trainer of internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link to the courses in the description down below. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you like the topics that I'm sharing here, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on the latest videos. Today, I am going to share with you what are some of the uses and benefits of rose essential oil. So if you like this video that you're watching, I would greatly appreciate if you could smash the like button and share it with your friends. Rose has been used for the skin for thousands of years. There are hundreds of different varieties of rose, some of which are hybrids. But the Bulgarian rose, Rosa damascena, which is high in citronellol and geraniol, is the most precious of all. It takes 22,000 pounds or 10 kg of rose petals to distill into a 5 ml bottle of rose essential oil. Hence the high cost. It remains one of my favorite oils as it helped me greatly in my journey of PCOS and hormonal imbalance. If you haven't watched my video on PCOS, do check it out after watching this video. Besides its common use for rejuvenating the skin, for promoting hormonal balance, its beautiful fragrance is intoxicating and aphrodisiac-like. It helps bring balance and harmony, allowing one to overcome insecurities. And what I love most about it is that it promotes self-love. Now let us look at what are some of the amazing uses and benefits of rose essential oil. So as we all know, women like using rose essential oil for skin wellness. So we can find a lot of skincare products with rose inside. But of course, some of these may be adulterated rose. But if you are using therapeutic grade rose essential oil, it actually helps with anti-aging, moisturizing, hydrating, and it also gives your face this rosy radiance. It also helps greatly in scarring and wrinkles. However, do remember that if you are using rose essential oil on your face, it has to be highly diluted because rose essential oil is highly concentrated and very powerful. So if you are going to dilute it, what can you dilute it with? Now, you can either add it to a moisturizer or your toner, or you can also add it to aloe vera gel base or a carrier oil that is suitable for your skin type. However, do remember that whatever the base that you're using, it has to be chemical free. And in one bottle of moisturizer or lotion or toner, whatever base that you're using, all you need is 1 drop of rose essential oil in the entire bottle, and that will be sufficient. And never ever apply rose essential oil directly to your face, otherwise your whole face will turn into a red lobster. Another usage of rose is that it also helps in supporting people with hypertension issues. So for those of you who suffer from high blood pressure, you might want to give rose essential oil a try. Rose essential oil also helps to promote cardiovascular health as it helps to strengthen the heart function. Rose essential oil also helps to relieve pain. In a study done in 2015, done on children who have just undergone operation. So one group was given rose essential oil to inhale and the other group was given almond oil to inhale. And the study has shown that the group that inhaled rose essential oil found that their pain level is greatly reduced. So that led researchers to think that maybe rose essential oil has this ability to trigger the brain to release endorphins, which are feel-good hormones. Based on the outcome of this study, researchers suggest that maybe rose essential oil can be used for patients who have undergone surgery to reduce their pain levels. There is also another study done in 2013 on patients suffering from menstrual cramps. So one group of them were given almond oil to massage on their abdomen area, and another group was given a mixture of almond oil with rose essential oil to massage on their abdomen area. So the group with rose essential oil actually reported less cramping pain as compared to the group that's only given almond oil for the massage. And over here, we have another study that suggests that aromatherapy with Rosa damascena improves multiple symptoms of PMS. There are actually many more studies out there that you can do your own independent research on with regards to rose essential oil, whether it's pain from surgery or pain caused by menstrual cramps. And over here, let's look at this other study that's done on maternity care. Aromatherapy with Rosa damascena is a convenient and effective way for pain and anxiety reduction during the first stage of labor. However, I do not recommend that you use rose essential oil during your pregnancy term. Rose essential oil should be used only during the labor stage and after labor. After you have delivered your baby, by inhaling rose essential oil, it may actually help to reduce the symptoms of postnatal blues. Rose essential oil is also very high in geraniol. So let us take a look at what are some of the benefits of geraniol. So geraniol is a monoterpic alcohol compound found in rose essential oil. It is what gives off the pleasant rose-like aroma. So besides rose essential oil, you can also find geraniol in geranium. Now, geraniol has a number of biological activities. So it has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, and because of these antioxidant properties, that's why rose also gives us this anti-aging property, for our skincare. And it has also shown that geraniol is effective for prostate, bowel, liver, kidney, and skin cancer. Now, besides this study, there is another study also on geraniol. For this study, it actually talks about the anti-tumor effects of geraniol. It says experimental evidence supports the therapeutic or preventive effects of geraniol on different types of cancer, such as breast, lung, colon, prostate, pancreatic, and hepatic cancer. Okay, and over here it also says that geraniol is a promising compound, safe and effective, multi-targeted anti-cancer agent. Besides being high in geraniol, rose essential oil is also high in citronellol and in an even higher concentration than geranium. So in my other video on geranium essential oil, I did mention that it's also high in citronellol, and I mentioned that citronellol is actually great for neurodegenerative diseases. So if you want to find out more about geranium essential oil, do check it out after this video. So neurodegenerative diseases actually include Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, and over here we have a research done on rose essential oil and its effect on Alzheimer's disease. So over here in this study, it shows that there are actually currently no effective medications for delaying the progress of Alzheimer's disease, which is the most common neurodegenerative disease in the entire world. However, the study shows that rose essential oil significantly inhibited AD-like symptoms, right? And over here it says that our results provided direct evidence on rose essential oil for treating Alzheimer's disease on an organism level and relative theoretical foundation for reshaping medicinal products of rose essential oil in the future. So isn't that an amazing discovery on what nature can do for us? Now, another usage of rose essential oil is that it is a great aphrodisiac. Interestingly, 2 studies actually found that inhaling rose essential oil increased the sexual desire and sexual satisfaction more in men than in women. Researchers believe that the release of dopamine in the brain, a known motivator, may be what spurs the increase of sexual desire while simultaneously alleviating the symptoms of depression. Rose essential oil is also a very calming and relaxing oil, which actually helps to calm anxious feelings. Now, in one study, researchers applied rose essential oil on the skin of the participants and measured its effect on the most common symptoms of anxiety: blood pressure, heart rate, breathing rates, cortisol levels, and blood oxygen levels actually decreased. The subjects also reported that they feel a lot more relaxed after the rose oil treatment. Another study involving over 100 women who were giving birth reported that they feel a lot less anxiety after using rose essential oil during delivery. Now, along with anxiety, rose essential oil also helps to soothe anger. So for those of you who get angry easily, or who have teenage children who are very rebellious, who keep throwing their temper, or maybe you have an angry spouse who is always throwing his temper at you, let them inhale rose essential oil. Now, a number of clinical studies have also shown that rose essential oil may help to ease depressive symptoms. In a study done in 2012, a small group of postpartum women underwent treatment for depression. Now, the group of women who underwent aromatherapy treatment with rose essential oil, along with conventional treatment, showed significant improvement against the group who only went for conventional treatment. Now, when it comes to depression, it will be best if you inhale the rose essential oil as well as use it for a massage. And that's not all. Rose essential oil also exhibits antibacterial and antifungal properties. Researchers have found that rose essential oil is very effective against a wide range of microbes that cause infections. This includes E. coli as well as some other strains of bacteria that can cause staph infections and staph throat. Additionally, the study found that rose essential oil may also be effective against Candida albicans, which can cause fungal infections in the gut, mouth, and vagina. Rose essential oil also has antiviral properties, and so it can also be used for viral infections such as herpes and shingles. Because of the high cost of rose essential oil, it is often adulterated with cheaper essential oils that's extracted from the plants Palmarosa and geranium that may smell similar to rose essential oil. There are also some other producers that may use cheaper varieties of rose to pass off as Rosa damascena, which may have different therapeutic properties, aroma, and color. Hence, only purchase rose essential oil that is extracted from Rosa damascena from a brand that you trust that produces the best, genuine, authentic, therapeutic grade essential oil. Now that you have learned all the benefits and uses of rose essential oil, it is also time for us to learn what are some of the precautions that we need to take when we are sharing rose essential oil with our friends and family. As mentioned earlier, I would suggest that you avoid using rose essential oil when you are pregnant. Also, I would suggest that you avoid using it on children, and if you're suffering from some kind of estrogen-related disorder, you may want to consult a professional before using any of the essential oil that I suggest. So if you like this video, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified of all future videos. That's all I have to share about rose essential oil today. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and I would be deeply grateful if you could share this video with your friends as well. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.